how to get a pocket option promo code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for pocket option promo code. After that, open the first website and you will be redirected to this page. You can see there are a bunch of promo codes available. In order to copy the code, simply tap on any one of them and the code will be copied automatically. Another website that you can try using is Ship the Deal website. To access it, go back one step, scroll down a little bit and open this link. You can see that the pocket option promo codes are being displayed here. You can copy these codes by tapping on the show coupon code button and then selecting copy. So that's basically how you can get a pocket option promo code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.